What's going on, guys? Kevin with Walker Heating and Air Conditioning here, and today I am going to introduce you to our new HVAC installation trailer that we are building. I am in the process of getting this thing ready. The cost of vans right now is $70,000 for a new van you want set up for HVAC right now. So we're looking at better alternatives to do installations. We need a new installation vehicle. The other one we have has 240,000 miles, and we're trying to set this up. We have two trucks that can pull this trailer we bought, so I want to show you the progress I'm doing so far and what we plan on doing. So this is a 12x6 trailer, and I got this new for around $6,800. It is the kind of the step up. It's got the rounded roof at the top, dual axle. You can get a single axle basic square vehicle for it's 2022 right now. I'm gonna say you can probably drive off the lot for around $5,000, maybe $5,500. So what I did was put some Line-X type bed liner on the doors, doing HVAC installation. Sometimes it's raining and we go in and out a lot, so we're not trying to close the doors just to keep it from getting wet. So this is a way to preserve the wood on here. This wood can tear down, break down over time if it's not done right. And then the floors as well in here, you get moisture in here, and the floors, you end up having to replace the floor. So this is just going to keep everything lasting longer, gives it a little more clean look as well. So the plan now is we are going to put shelves in here, put all our, get all of our HVAC stuff basically off this old, this is the old truck here. This is a 350 KUV with the toolboxes and stuff. We're going to get everything from this truck neatly organized into this trailer. So that's next. We're also wrapping it. So we're going to put a nice clean Walker Heating and Air wrap on this. This wrap here is actually our old design. We have some other vehicles with the newer design on it. We're putting the newer design on this, so it'll look it's gonna look good. There's nobody in our area right now that's done this yet. I've seen it across the US, different companies doing it that have done it in the past, and more are starting to do it now. So I think to my fellow HVAC guys out there, this is a great idea at the moment, considering a trailer for $6,800, 10% of the cost of a new install van. If you already have a truck like we do, especially where you can just tow this, the single axles is 3,500 GVWR, and the dual axles are 7,000, but that's fully loaded. That's as much as it can take. So if you have we have a newer Ranger and a Silverado 1500, and both of them are capable of towing this trailer. So we're going to be set up. And you guys have trucks in your company already and you're looking for a new install vehicle, consider doing an HVAC trailer. I'm going to give updates on the next thing we do on this, the progress. I don't know. I'm going to start doing the shelves, and the designer's finishing up the wrap right now, so we should have it wrapped probably within 2 weeks, and the shelves should be done about the same time. So we'll give a finished look on this. That's it today. Over and out. Have a great day. Bye bye.